Hello friends, so you are welcome to format of activity sheet. Today we are studying how to solve your activity sheet paper, that is question paper. Basically most of the students, they are totally unknown, they don't understand what is the importance of knowing the format of activity sheet. Dear friends, since some years, we call not question paper, we call it activity sheet. It is because you are asked to complete the activities. So here we are studying activity sheet of standard 10th, and it is for English medium students. Obviously time for the activity sheet is 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, and marks are 80. So why we should know the detailed information about the activity sheet? It is because we must know how to cover this whole activity sheet within the given time. So generally we listen, most of the students have a lot of problems. Some of them say we are not able to cover our activity sheet, our paper within the given time. They cannot cover in the given time. It is because they don't have proper time management. That is the fact. So to overcome this, we must know how to solve this question paper with time management. See here, so there are some sections. Section first, that is for language study. And friends, so this language study is divided into question number first A and question number first B. Both are called a language study, but first A is for 8 marks and time you have to solve within 12 minutes. While second B, that is first B, is also called language study, and this is for 2 marks, and we have to cover this within 3 minutes. So listen here, we require a great practice. Without practice you cannot solve this question. And I know very well those who are repeating, those who are practicing properly, they can score out of marks in this question. And here, that is section second, that is textual passage. Obviously these passages are from your text, that is SSC textbook. So for this question number 2A, it is called a textual passage, and this passage is for comprehension. Friends, what is comprehension? Comprehension, that is understanding. And this question, in this question there are 5 sub questions, that is A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5, that is personal response, last one is, and each question carries 2 marks. It means 5 questions into 2 marks, that is 5 into 2, that is 10, and for 10 marks you have to give time 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes you have to cover. See here, second, like question number first A, question number second B is there. Second B is like question number second A. Both have same nature, same pattern, and this is also for 10 marks, and time given for covering this question is not more than 15 minutes. So if you observe it carefully, you will come to know you have to give time for 15 minutes to cover these 2 questions, that is question number 2A and 2B. So friends, section 3, that is third section, is for poetry. And you know very well there are 5 units. Under each unit there is one poem. So question number 3rd comes under section 3rd. So 3rd A is extract for comprehension. So some lines are given for comprehension means for understanding, it small poem is there, whole poem is given, and this is for 5 marks. Under this there are 3, A1, A2 and A3. 3 questions are there, A1 for 2 marks, A2 for 2 marks and A3 poetic devices for 1 marks, and time you have to under within here 10 minutes, and that is question number 3B. Same extract or poem is not given here, different poem is given for appreciation of the poem, and under this section here you are given this question for 5 marks and you have to cover within 8 minutes. So it means for 10 minutes here for 10 marks, time given for solving this 18 minutes. Now section 4, let us go towards section 4. This is for non-textual passage. What is non-textual passage? This passage is not from your 10th textbook, but it is from other articles it is taken, from other text it is taken, maybe from novel, story, whatever is there. So under this section comes question number 4A. It is non-textual passage for comprehension, like question number 2A, like this. So it is for 10 marks, but time given for this is 20 minutes, friends. Why 5 minutes extra are given? It is because scene passage or textual passage, for that you had been given, so you have been given only 15 minutes, and for non-textual passage you have been given 20 minutes. It means 5 minutes extra. Why? You have to comprehend, you have to understand, you have to read this passage within 5 minutes. So its nature is just like A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. And now question number 4B. So same passage, that is non-textual passage, same passage is given for summary writing, and it is required great skill. You need to understand the given passage carefully. After that you have to cover all the main points. You have to give the title. Without title, don't write summary. Here with that, for that you have given 12 minutes to cover this question. So after this, so section number 4th, it is for writing skill, and most of the students have to show their skill, that is writing skill. Under this comes question number 5, that is for letter writing, and you know very well there are 2 types of letter. So 2 types of letters are given. So formal letter, that is official letter, or second informal letter, that is unofficial, or that is called a family letter. It is for 5 marks, and time given for writing newspaper letter writing is only 15 minutes. Under this you have to cover all the points. And another question comes under the section 5th, that is question number 6A, information transfer. So you have to transfer the given information from non-verbal to verbal, or verbal to non-verbal. Most of the students don't understand what is meant by non-verbal to verbal. Friends, non-verbal means sometimes you are given pie chart and information is given, sometimes tree diagram is given with information, or maybe other type of wave diagram, etc. So this type of tabular information, pie chart, diagram, bar, etc. are given. Bar diagram is given. That is called a non-verbal, and you have to convert it into verbal. Verbal, that is passage. Verbal means passage. It means from tree diagram you have to transfer into passage. It is for 5 marks, and you have to cover this question within 15 minutes. So look there, here non-verbal to verbal or verbal to non-verbal. Sometimes passage is given, and that passage you have to convert into wave diagram, tabular information, bar diagram, pie chart or tree diagram. So this is called a verbal to non-verbal. You can choose either first A1 or A2, but you must be careful while choosing the question. Generally what happens, most of the students try to solve question number 6A, A1, and after writing something they come to know that is A2 is very easy. But before starting to write, you must know which question should I choose. Otherwise there should not be confusion, and confusion is worst thing. You will not cover your paper with free mind. So that is why you have to read the question paper carefully, and only then and then you have to choose to write. Okay, now see there then. After this, question number 6b is there. So it is for views and counter views. Views and counter views. You will be given either views or counter views, and you have to write. Or drafting a speech. You have to write speech. Speech you have to write, and this question is for 5 marks, and same time is there. Same time is there. That is 15 minutes. See, after this, section 6, it is for creative writing. Why it is called a creative writing? It means you require imagination power, extra knowledge. That is why it is called a creative writing. So actually it comes under different section. So question number 7a, under this question number 7 is there, that is for expand the theme. And for theme you have given either proverb, maxims, quotations or slogans. What are given? Proverbs are given, maxims are given, quotations are given, or slogans are given. So there will be 3 options for you, and you have to choose one of them. This question is for 5 marks, and time for this question is 15 minutes. But without imagination power, without practice, extra reading, you cannot solve this question effectively. Or there is option for your alternative is for there, news report is there. And question number 7b, that is for developing a story. It is for 5 marks, and time limit is 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes you have to cover. Or so for this alternative is narrating an experience. What you have to do? You have to narrate, you have to write your experience with either, it will be either given, beginning will be given there, story, the beginning of the story will be given, or the end of the story will be given. So you have a lot of options. You can choose carefully. By this way, this question paper is for 80 marks, and we have covered, according to this an ideal management, we have covered this paper within 170 minutes. Friends, actual paper is for 180 minutes, but 10 minutes are extra, and these 10 extra minutes are for review. You can check your answer sheet whether you have written all things correctly or something is left. By this way, according to this format, if you practice it again and again, you can score the best marks.